From quirky rules to downright bizarre laws, the world is full of legal oddities. Join us as we explore the top 10 weirdest laws still in force today.
Number 10. In Canada, paying with too many coins is against the law. You can't use more than 25 loonies or 100 nickels in one transaction to keep cash flows civil. Number 9.
In Poland, it's illegal to wear Winnie the Pooh-themed clothing in public schools. The ban stems from concerns over the character's attire.
Number 8.
In France, naming a pig Napoleon is banned. The rule protects the dignity of France's famous emperor.
Number 7.
Under the Licensing Act of 1872, it's technically illegal to be drunk in a licensed pub in England and Wales. This law remains on the books, despite its apparent contradiction.
Number 6.
In Sri Lanka, taking selfies with Buddha statues is prohibited. This law reflects the country's deep reverence for Buddhist symbols and aims to preserve cultural dignity.
Number 5.
In China, Buddhist monks must obtain government permission to reincarnate. This law controls the selection of religious leaders and intertwines spiritual matters with bureaucracy.
Number 4.
In Samoa, forgetting your wife's birthday can lead to a fine or even jail time. This law underscores the importance of remembering significant dates in relationships.
Number 3.
In Switzerland, slamming car doors after 10 p.m. is illegal. This law aims to prevent noise pollution and maintain peace in residential areas.
Number 2.
In Greece, wearing high heels at ancient sites like the Acropolis is prohibited. The sharp heels can damage the delicate marble surfaces, leading to fines for visitors.
Number 1.
In Singapore, chewing gum is banned to maintain public cleanliness. Since 1992, the sale and import of chewing gum have been prohibited, with exceptions only for therapeutic purposes.